friends, welcome to the next episode of Apt Guide. In this episode, we will be solving some other types of problems on ages. So let us go straight away to the questions. 30th question is, the sum of the two digits of Arun's age is 5. If the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 27. Find the age. Okay. So in this question, they have given the sum of the digits of a person's age. Okay. Then they are telling that if the digits of the person's age are reversed, then the initial digits get increased by 27. Okay. So we need to find out the person's age. So there is a shortcut method to find out this answer. Just by one step you will get the answer. But before going to the shortcut method, let me explain the conventional method to solve the problem. Okay. So let us consider that the age of the person is XY and the two digits of the person's age is X and Y. Okay. Then they are telling that the sum of the two digits of Arun's age is 5, which means X plus Y is given as 5. So let us consider this as the first equation. Then they are telling that if the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 27. Okay. See, if a person's age is 52, we can write this as 10 into 5 plus 2. Okay. So if the age is XY, we can write the age as 10x plus y. Okay. Now if the digits are reversed, this will become 25. So we can write this as 10 into this 2 plus this 5. Okay. So when the numbers are reversed, we can write this as 10y plus x. Okay. So the age of the person, we can write it as 10x plus y, and after reversing it can be written as 10y plus x. Okay. Then in the question they are telling that if the digits are reversed, okay, if the digits are reversed, the initial number is increased by 27. That is 10x plus y is increasing by 27. Now on solving this equation, we will get it as 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 27. So let us consider this as the second equation. Now on solving this first and second equation, we will get the values of x and y. Okay. Multiply this first equation by 9. Then we will get 9x plus 9y is equal to 45. So adding this both equation, we will get 18x is equal to 18. So from this x value will be equal to 1. Now on substituting this x value in this equation, we will get the y value as 4. Hence the age of the person will be equal to 4, that is 14 years. So this is the conventional method to solve the problem. Now let us see what is the shortcut method. Okay. So in the shortcut method, first you write the sum of the two digits of the Arun's age, that is 5 here. Then divide the increase in the number by 9. That is, here increase in the number is 27 by 9. Okay. Then add this both and then divide this entire thing by 2. By doing this, you will get one of the digits of the Arun's age. Okay. On solving this, you will get it as 4. Okay. Now the other digit will be this 5 minus 27 by 9 divided by 2. So on solving this, you will get it as 1. So this will be the other digit. Okay. Now these are the digits of Arun's age. So the age can be either 14 or 41. Okay. But in the question they have given that when the digits are reversed, the number gets increased. Okay. So when the digits are reversed, the number is a higher value or a greater value. So after reversing, the greater value is 41. Okay. So the age of the person will be 14 years, or the initial value is 14 years. Okay. So in this method also we can find out the age of the person just by one step. Here you should always take 9. Okay. This value should be always taken as 9. The next question is, if two digits of A's age are reversed, then the new age so obtained is B's age. 1/11th of sum of the ages of A and B is equal to the difference between their ages. What will be the sum of their ages? So in this question they are telling that if the two digits of A's age are reversed, then the age which we are getting is B's age. Okay. Then they are telling that 1/11th of the sum of their ages is equal to the difference in their ages. Okay. So let us consider age of A as xy. Okay. So this can be written as 10x plus y. So A's age can be written as 10x plus y. Now if we reverse these digits, we will get B's age. Then B's age will be equal to 10y plus x. Okay. Then they are telling that 1/11th of the sum of their ages, that is 1/11th of sum of their ages will be 10x plus x is 11x and 10y plus y is 11y is equal to the difference in their ages. So what will be the difference of this both? That is 10x minus x is 9x and y minus 10y is minus 9y. Okay. Now on solving this we will get it as x plus y is equal to 9x minus 9y, or we can write this as 8x is equal to 10y, or x by y is equal to 10 by 8, that is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. So this is the ratio of the x and y. Okay. Now what will be the value of x? X and y are one digit number. Okay. So x value will be equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. Then y value will be equal to 4 into 1, that is 4. Okay. We need to find out the sum of their ages. Sum of their ages is 11x plus 11y. So 11 into x plus y will be the sum of their ages, that is equal to 11 into x plus y is 5 plus 4, that is 9. So that is equal to 99 years. So the sum of their ages will be equal to 99 years. The next question is, Raju got married 8 years ago. Today his age is 1/2/7 times his age at the time of marriage. At present his son's age is 1/6 of his age. What was son's age 3 years ago? So in this question they are telling that a person named Raju got married 8 years ago. At present his age is 1/2/7 times his age at the time of marriage. Okay. So let us consider his present age as R. So if his present age is R, then what would be his age at the time of marriage? His marriage was 8 years ago. So at the time of marriage his age would be R minus 8. Okay. So they are telling that his present age is 1/2/7 times that of his age at the time of marriage. So this R will be equal to 1/2/7 is 9/7. 9/7 times of R minus 8. Now by solving this we will get the value of the present age of Raju. Okay. So 7R is equal to 9R minus 72. So on solving this we will get the R value as 36 years. So the present age of Raju is 36 years. Now they are telling that at present his son's age is 1/6 of his age. So what will be son's present age? Son's present age is 1/6 of this value. Okay. 1/6 of 36, that is equal to 6 years. So the present age of son is 6 years. But in the question they are asking us to find out the son's age 3 years ago. If at present it is 6, then 3 years ago it would be 6 minus 3. Okay. So son's age 3 years ago would be 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3 years. So this is the answer. The next question is, sum of the ages of father and son is 45. 5 years ago the product of their ages was 34. The ages of son and father are. So in this question they have given the sum of the present ages of father and son. They have also given the product of their ages 5 years ago. We need to find out the present ages of son and father. Okay. So let us see how to solve this. Let us assume present age of father as F and the present age of son as S. Then sum of their present ages would be F plus S, and that is given as 45. Okay. Then they have given that 5 years ago the product of their ages was 34. Okay. So if at present their ages are f and s, then 5 years ago father's age would be f minus 5 and son's age would be s minus 5. Okay. And the product of their ages 5 years ago is given as 34. Okay. Now we will get the ages of son and father by solving this both equation. Okay. But the best method to find the answer is by option verification method. It would reduce the valuable time in your examination. Okay. So let us first substitute the first option in these both equations. Substitute the value for father as 39 and son as 6. Okay. So first let us substitute in the first equation. Okay. Then we will get 39 plus 6, that is equal to 45. So LHS is equal to RHS. Now substitute this both values in the second equation. Then we will get 39 minus 5 into 6 minus 5, that is equal to 34 into 1, that is equal to 34. So here also LHS is equal to RHS, hence first option will be the right answer. So in this method we can find out the ages of son and father easily. The next question is, the ratio between the present ages of A and B is 5:7 respectively. If the difference between B's present age and A's age after 6 years is 2, what is the total of A's and B's present ages? Okay, so in this question they have given the ratio of the present ages of A and B as 5:7. Okay, then what will be A's present age? Let us assume A's present age as 5x, okay, and B's present age as 7x, okay. Then they are telling that difference between B's present age and A's age after 6 years. If at present A's age is 5x, then after 6 years his age would be 5x plus 6, okay, and this difference is given as 2. Now on solving this we will get the value of x. So that will be equal to 2x is equal to 8. So x value will be equal to 4. Now we can find out the present ages of A and B. Okay. So present ages of A and B will be A's present age will be 5x, that is 5 into 4, that is 20, and B's age will be 7x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28. They are asking us to find out the sum of their present ages. So sum of their present ages would be 20 plus 28, that is 48 years. So this is the answer. So this was the last question of this part. I'll be back with other important problems in the next part. So do watch it. If you felt this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe it. Also press the bell button so that you get the notification when I'm uploading my new videos. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.